Today, I invite you to the City Garden of Sofia right next to the Theatre Ivan Vazov. This garden is busy during the summer, and today I stumbled upon an African event which was so refreshing. This video will also feature some other parts of the city center. I will introduce you to one of the local traditional breakfasts, and the final place I'm going to visit is the Archaeological Museum. If that sounds like fun, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Now I am on the way to the Graf Ignatiev Street, number 28, to buy my breakfast, Mekitsa and Boza.
Пречи ли ви, че снимам? Аз няма вас да ви снимам. С захар. Обикновена мекица и боза дали имате?
Не.
Не?
Имаме домашна лимонада и айран.
Благодаря ви.
The coffee shop has a second floor where you can sit and have your mekitsa, but in this gorgeous weather I would rather eat my breakfast in the park. This is the Sveti Sedmochislenici church, an Orthodox church converted from a mosque. And this street is my favorite street in Sofia. It's called Tsar Shishman. On the street you can find some small shops, bars, restaurants, and a few walls covered in graffiti. A small and colorful street that leads to the square of the National Assembly. On this square we have several landmarks: the monument of Tsar Liberator, the National Assembly, the Bulgarian Academy of Sciences, and further down you can spot the splendid Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. I have just arrived to the City Garden. It was established in 1872, and this makes it the oldest park in the Bulgarian capital. The City Garden is a home to the magnificent building of Bulgaria's National Theatre. Built in 1906, it's the oldest theatre in the country and it's among the main landmarks of Sofia. It's named after the prominent Bulgarian writer Ivan Vazov. The theatre has a large stage with 750 seats, a chamber hall with 120 seats, and a stage on the fourth floor with 70 seats for spectators. Okay, so I'm sitting on the stairs of the theater because all the benches are occupied and it looks quite busy over there. So I want to have my snack. And this is Mekitsa and Boza. Let's start with the pastry. Mekitsa is a deeply fried pastry made of yogurt, flour, eggs, salt, oil, water, and of course a leavening agent. It's deeply fried, so it's not very healthy, but it's delicious. It's traditionally served with either powdered sugar or strawberry jam.
North Macedonia and Serbia. And now let's proceed with the drink, Boza. And Boza, this bottle is actually transparent, is kind of brown, but it depends what it's made of. Boza is usually made of corn, wheat or millet, depending on the country. For example, if you go to Turkey, the color of Boza is a little bit yellow. I don't know what they make it of, but in Bulgaria it's made mainly from wheat or millet. Boza is available in North Africa, in the central and western part of Asia, and in Southeast Europe. It's not 100% sure where it originates from. It's either Persia or Turkey. Okay, it's very sweet and it's very thick. So most probably if you're a foreigner, you're not gonna like it. There is a specific and tangy taste. And if you leave it for a few days, it will start fermenting because there is actually 1% of alcohol in it.
It's important to mention that Boza has a lot of health benefits. It has vitamins, it strengthens the bone structure, it facilitates digestion, it's good for kidney stones, and it's very nutritional. 1 cup of Boza is about 300 calories. In the city garden, you can regularly see groups of pensioners playing chess or cards. The city garden is a place for cultural events and fun, and today's event was a festival celebrating the Africa Day. The event was organized by the ambassadors of Algeria, Angola, Egypt, Libya, Morocco, Nigeria, South Africa, as well as the honorary consuls of Seychelles and Sudan. As a person who has lived 4 years in Africa, I was really happy that I accidentally became part of this celebration. The music was great, and at one point when the DJ played Jerusalema, everyone went on the stage to dance. It was so uplifting and beautiful, and it's a pity I didn't manage to capture this particular moment with my camera. After spending an hour at this African event, I am heading towards the Presidency and the National Institute of Archaeology. On my right, you can see a restaurant called the Art Club Museum. It's located on the back of the Archaeology Museum, and it has a huge and well-shaded terrace where you can hide from the heat. In the yard of the Presidency, you can see the Rotunda St. George from the 4th century. I'm now heading towards the Archaeology Museum. The entrance ticket for an adult is 10 level or 5 euros. The museum occupies the largest and oldest former Turkish mosque known as Kuja Mahmud Pasha Jami. It was constructed in 1451, and after the Liberation War it was transformed into a hospital, a printing shop, and in 1892 it was turned into a museum. The museum includes displays from the earliest Stone Age to the 18th century. Among the highlights, you can see a Thracian gold burial mask and a magnificent bronze head thought to represent a Thracian king. The favorite part of my visit to the museum was seeing a painting of Jesus. It's interesting how, after focusing on it, the lens of my camera flared. Was this some kind of a sign? Or was it a coincidence? I will leave the interpretation to you. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. Take care and see you soon.